Hello friends. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix your iPhone if it's charging, but the battery percentage is not increasing. First, try to restart your phone and recharge it and check if it helps. If not, then clean your charging port by gently removing lint and dust with a dry soft brush or a toothpick. Check your accessories and try a genuine Apple cable or adapter and a different wall outlet or known good charger. If those steps don't work, then update your iOS to the latest version. If that still doesn't work, then open the Settings app and go to Battery, then tap on Battery Health and Charging, and set this option to Disabled or Enabled. If that still doesn't work, then try toggling 80 None, or Adaptive or Optimized and select None for now, and charge your phone and check if it helps. If it still doesn't work, then try enabling airplane mode while charging. And if all else fails, it might be a hardware or battery health issue, so you might want to get a check by your local technician or via Apple. Also ensure that the iPhone isn't too hot or cold, as extreme temperatures can slow charging, and again, if all those fails, it's time to get it checked as your battery might need to be replaced. Or there's a slight problem with your motherboard. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.